taken us out of the Jubilee Ocean. We were sunk some years back. But because of their immense support, good governance, transparency, name it. Your Excellency, we are very happy. On behalf of the leadership of APC in Jigawa State, the elders, the sheikhs and the leaders of our party, Your Excellency, we are extending our profound gratitude for the effort you have made to move Jigawa State to a well-enforced independent state. Your Excellency, the elders get rejection, tissue rejection, in terms of compatibility. When we came, we threw a calculator, and if people are used to government as usual, they were scared. But this time, it has become part of them. We have become acclimatized, we have become used to it. If not for the fact that you were able to append your calculator very well, all the members were listed to that by now. At the same time, Your Excellency, we are aware of how you made the seat. We knew